Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to create nominal ledgers in Xero. So for that purpose we'll come in accounting menu. Here we'll get option of advance, and here we need to click on chart of accounts. So from here we can also create bank account as well as normal accounts. Okay, so you can see here different kind of nominal accounts. From here we can add account, add bank account, we can print PDF of nominal code, we can import codes, then after we can also export. Here we'll get all account as well as bifurcation of all the accounts like asset, liability, equity, expenses, revenue. Okay, if we click on some account, and we can make modification from here. Okay, in case of any changes we have to just click on particular account. Let's create one expense account. So in this example we are going to create audit fees account. Okay, so for that purpose I'll click on add account. Now I'll select account type, so I'll select expense, then I have to enter code. (311), then I'll enter the name, audit fees. We can also write description if we want to do. Similarly, we can select the default tax rate from here. Then after, there are three options. If we want to use these options, then we can do the same. Okay. Currently, I'm simply going to save this account. So we can see in expense tab, our account has been created. And if I want to make any changes, I need to click on their account. Okay. So I'll get the same display. And let's create one bank account. We can create bank account from here also. Okay. And there are two methods of creating bank accounts. We can also create bank account with bank feed, and we can also use bank account as manually. So in this example, I'm going to create bank account manually. So for that purpose, I'll just enter the name of my bank. I'll simply write HSBC Bank. And after that, I'll click on manually add your account details. I need to enter name of my bank, HSBC Bank, and then account name, HSBC current account, then account code. This should be unique. Okay, 711. Then account type other. Then I randomly entering short code and account details. Okay, and I can also select currency, and I'm going to save these. As you can see, we get the error, please enter unique code. So I'll just change the code from 711 to 712. So you can see here our account has been created. So in asset tab we can see that account, as you can see here. Okay, and let me show you how to delete this account. So for delete, we need to select that account. Okay, I'll just select this account, and we'll get three options: delete, archive, and change tax rate. So I'm going to delete this account, and I'll click on OK. So our account has been deleted. So in this manner we can add, modify, and delete accounts in Xero. Thanks for watching.